Hello everyone, welcome to Unplug 404. As we have already completed most of the charts in Tableau, it's very important to understand quick table calculations as well, as these options provide us a good way to make our work faster and easier at the same time as well. So let me show you what all things we are going to go through in today's video and in the following videos as well. So today we will be covering running total, and in the following videos, I will be covering all these options one by one because it's really important for you to understand the basics importantly. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. So today's agenda is to cover running total in Tableau through quick table calculation. So for that, obviously we need a graph first. So let's say I go for order date and maybe subcategories, and let's go for profits. So we do have a line graph right here in front of us. Let me just make it bigger. Yeah. Now to apply a quick table calculation, what you need to do is you need to go to the measure section, which you have already opted for. Just click the drop down below and go to quick table calculation, and here select running total. Now it will show you all the different lines going in the upward direction. But the question here is, what does it mean? So let me explain to you these things one by one. So for instance, let's take this line. So it says that in 2016, the profits were 11,808. By the year of 2017, it increased to 22,000. And then in 2018, it was 31,666, and by the end of 2019, it was 44,516. So it is basically a cumulative values which kept on adding, which keeps on adding on the top of one another. So for instance, if I need to give you an example, let's say my product name was pen and my year one profit was 10,000, year two profit was maybe 8,000, and year three profit was maybe 12,000. Now if we talk about running total, let me just write it down for you guys. So running total for first year would be the same, 10,000. It is always the same, so it is basically a cumulative value. So in the beginning, it's the same. Now, if I talk about second year, it is 10,000 plus 8,000, which is what? 18,000, obviously. So this is my second year cumulative frequency, or not cumulative frequency, it's just a running total, cumulative total, or you can say. Now for the third year, it is 10k plus 8k plus 12k. So it makes what, 30? So yep, it is 30k. So that's how running total works, and the 30k right here is always the total profits. It is always the total profits, because obviously you keep on adding these values one by one, and by the end of the last year you will be having the sum of all these values. So you can either do obviously 18 plus 12, it will also give you 30. So that's how running total works. Moving back to the graph which we created, let's say, so if we talk about this one, so in the beginning of the of 2016, the table's values, the sales of the profits were obviously negative. And in 2017, it was more negative because it kept on going negative. So it's minus 6,634. Then it kept on, the profits kept on decreasing one by one. So that's how it is calculated. If we go for these values, these graphs, there are very slight changes. But if we talk about the copiers subcategory, we do see a large increase in the profits. So that's the use of running total, basically. So that's it from my side, guys. If you have any doubts, suggestions, or queries for me, do leave them in the comment section down below. And that's it. Stay safe and take care of yourself.